Traders, how are you? How's everyone doing? Um, yeah, feels like I haven't been on stream for some time. So how's everyone? How's your week been? Today's Tuesday. I hope you all had a profitable week last week. Um, I've been really busy, not with trading, but with my clients. So look, before we get into it, we have a promo with my flash funding, and if you currently our promo is 20% off. So if you click on this link below, you will get 20% off any challenges with my flash funding, right? Just use the Discord discount code simply, and you will qualify for a 20% discount code. So have a look, make sure you guys are using it, and I hope you've all checked them out so far. So how's everyone doing? How's your week been? How's how's the hang on a second, let's see what we got. Pupula Moses, right on. Sure, man. Listen, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Anyone else in the chat? So I've got so many things popping off right now. So last week we spoke about the prop firm challenge I'm currently doing. The idea is to record a challenge and just show you what's been happening with me, and how it's been playing on my emotions and my strategy and different things like that. And I just wanted to make it as transparent as possible. Now look, we've had some really good feedback from the last show. Lots of people saying it's really honest and transparent, and just really sort of pleased that we're not one of these sort of influencers that sort of showing P&L and making things a little bit, you see things in Forex, right? You see the Lamborghinis, you see the nice things, and what I'm here to do is hopefully pass the challenge. I mean, that's the first thing, but I just want to be really honest with you. I just want to show you exactly what's been happening and how things have been going for me, right? So let's check in again. So John, how are you, mate? I feel like you guys have been chatting a lot in Discord and I've just been missing it all. I'm really sorry. I've been so busy. So that brings me to our Discord. Look, we have our free Discord. So please, if you haven't joined already, please join us, right? A free Discord. And in there, there's like-minded traders. We're talking about different things, of course, psychology, books, indicators, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, please join us. It's a really nice community and we're growing. As you can see, the YouTube channel is going crazy. It's just growing every single week, and we really appreciate all of you. So please, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. We also have the VIP section. Now in the VIP, we have access to 3 coaches, including Tom, 3 traders, sorry, including Tom. And they give their live signals, entries, exits, stop loss, you name it. And on top of that, you have access to me if you want to have a chat about psychology, or if you're struggling with something. I post an article once a week. Well, I try to do it once a week. I haven't done so for the last 2 weeks, but I did one recently. Yeah, and also if you want one-to-one mentoring with Tom, you can drop him an email, and he's available to do that. And like I said, it's just such a lovely community that we've got. So who else have we got? Let me have a look. So Goodwin, how are you, mate? Really happy that you're here. Welcome to the channel as well. I'm looking at the euro currently. I want to show you something real quick. So you're gonna have to bear with me a second, guys. All right, whilst I navigate the okay. So here we go. I think you could see that, right? I'm guessing you can all see that. So I wanted to show you something that I missed this morning. And last week I wasn't able to take a few trades. Well, I did take a few trades, should I say, based off, you could call it FOMO, or just sort of following someone else's call blindly. So let me just show you something real quick. So this morning I I was busy. So right now is the time of year where lots of clients are planning their year ahead. They've got certain goals and plans for the new year. And what we do is we get myself and the client gets together virtually or in person, and we plan that out, right? Like, so we have what the goals are that they're looking for, and strategically how you're going to get there. What do they need from me? What do they need to do? Blah blah blah. So I've been really busy doing that, and not much time for trading. But I saw this morning after, and this is one of my bread and butter setups. I must say, right, in terms of me trading the euro dollar, it's a real. I'm not going to get into strategy because look, everyone's got different strategy and how that works for them and all that good stuff. I'm not here to tell you how to trade. I'm just going to show you a couple of things that works really well for me. And again, use it if you want to. Don't use it, back test it. It's up to you, right? I'm just going to show you something. And this is my bread. So I'm looking to the right because this is what my other screen is. So this here is the OBV. All right. Now the OBV for me is better. It works better for me in terms of hidden divergence, right? So I use hidden divergence of confluence when I'm entering a trade or looking to enter a trade. So I know some of you like the RSIs and the indicators, different indicators, but for me, this works pretty well. So as you can see, oh, got a call coming in there. So as you can see, as far as I'm concerned, we're in a downtrend, right? You can see lower highs. This is the 30-minute time frame, okay? The other thing that's interesting here is, as you can see, we've got price making a high, low, but there is a hidden bearish divergence here, meaning that as we're going lower, the OBV is going higher. That shows me a continuation to the downside, right? So I'll just give you an example. So I don't trade past 8 o'clock, before 8 o'clock in the morning UK time. So I looked at this probably about half an hour ago, and I was like, damn, this is one of my. So I've got two strategies I use. This is the second one. And I'm not lying to you, but this candle here, so as you can see, the OBV it confirmed here on this candle is where I would have entered a short 100%. This is my strategy, and I would put the stop loss right above the high, and my take profit would have been a 1-to-1, so probably 16, so something like this, right? So let's just say now. I saw this and I was like, damn, I could probably jump in now, right? No, I didn't. Now, for me, there's lots of different ways that I could sort of trade, but I also wanted to show you where we are currently with the challenge. So can you see that? I'm sure you can. So last week when I was doing the challenge, we were just over $1,000 down on the challenge, so just over 2% down on the challenge. I'm pleased to say I have. So when you're in drawdown, for me, what works well is if you use a reduced size. So if, for example, on a 50K challenge, you're risking 1% and you're doing 1:1 or 1:2, fine. But when I'm in drawdown, I reduce my size, right? Because I don't want to blow the account. I don't want to go further into drawdown. So the idea is I get my way out of drawdown using a reduced size. So as you can see, we are currently just over 1.5% in drawdown. So we're 0.5% up on last week. It says the best trade here is $170, but that's fine because that was me using the 1.2 lot size, I think it was. And my worst trade when I was using the full 5 lot size is $570. The win rate is irrelevant. I don't care about win rates, and all these other stats are, irrelevant to me. So I just wanted to share with you where we are. The idea is, to use exactly what works for me. So the first 2 trades I took, one was just randomly copying someone off the Telegram group that I was in. It's a very old Telegram group. I've since left that group. And the second one was just me FOMOing into something that I thought was a good idea at the time. And that was silly. So this morning when I saw this, easily I could have thought, I think I saw it around about here. I could have said, right, okay, I'm going to jump in and let price go even lower, but I didn't. And I am more than happy to say, if this goes further down, it is what it is. I did miss this really good entry, but like I said, I'm really busy with clients right now doing one-to-ones, planning for the new year. And what I'm looking for is my setup. I've got two. One is using the Fibonacci tool with a couple other criteria needs to be met, and the other one is using the OBV for following the trend. Right now, I'm not sure where price is going to go. I know some people like to predict where price goes. I don't like doing that. I like to react. So once the pattern's printed, I enter the trade. And will I get a trade today? I don't know. Probably not. But I do know there's some news coming out in maybe 3 hours or so, and that's going to be, I would assume that rocks the market a bit. You can see on the right-hand side, I also have a little bit crypto. I'm just tracking prices. I have invested in a few different things personally. Just to sort of, I would assume the bull run's starting soon. But look, that's my update for this week, guys. I hope you found it useful. I just wanted to sort of check in with you. It's not a long stream today because, like I said, I've only managed to do 2 trades last week, I think. And we are now currently 1.5%, give or take, just a little bit over that, but 1.5% in drawdown. So it's looking okay. If I hit the 6%, great. If I don't, it is what it is. As long as I follow my rules, that's the most important thing. There's not a lot of you in today, which is cool, but is there any questions? How's your week been? Like I said, currently we have a promotion running with my Flash Funding where you can get 20%. Really cool company. Speaking to Blake again yesterday about all the things that he has coming. Lots of different cool sort of changes happening, over there as well. They've got a really nice promotion running with us. And again, if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and we're going to continue on this journey. Hopefully I hit that 6% and get to phase 2, and you all would have seen the journey, right? Apart from that, I don't think there's anything else. If you want to give me a follow or, just sort of drop me a message on Instagram or Twitter, my handle is I'm Kev Martin. So I am KEV.MARTIN. You can give me a follow on there or drop me a message if you have any questions. But of course, join us in our Discord. And if you have any questions, if you want to share some ideas, we'd be more than happy to help you or support you through on your trading journey. But I'm going to end it on this. Last week was good. Much better. I'm excited to see what this week brings, but I am not trading as much as I normally do because I am really busy with coaching clients right now. I'm super busy, but I'm keeping an eye on the market and what's happening, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we will have a successful week ahead. So that being said, there isn't much going on in the chat. Not much of you sort of asking any questions, so I don't want to keep you too long. And I'll see you in the Discord. Don't forget to join us there. Have a good day, guys. Take care. Bye.